Welcome to Marketing Analytics Hackathon. Marketing Analytics Hackathon is an annual competition organized by the School of Marketing at UNSW. It attracts top-tier students with strong marketing and analytics skills to participate. Participants form teams to compete in solving real-world problems, using their marketing knowledge and analytical skills within a limited time period. Hi everyone, this is Songting Dong. I'm a senior lecturer in marketing. I'm here to tell you about our 2024 Marketing Analytics Hackathon Challenge. Mobile gaming is a huge market. The market size is $100 billion in 2019, $118 billion in 2023, and is estimated to be $138 billion in 2031. The mobile game app development in Australia, however, only takes a small proportion of that huge market. As in June 2024, 1,711 game apps out of about 290,000 were developed by Australian developers. 555 Australian mobile game developers are active on Google Play. Our challenge requires you to use the real-world data obtained from Google Play Store to identify the success factors of game apps. This dataset consists of the top 200 grossing games, top 200 paid games, and top 100 free games on the Australian market. They may be developed by developers from Australian or other countries, but were available to Australian consumers on Google Play Store. For each game, the dataset consists of various app features, 39 items in total, and up to 20,000 most recent customer reviews. You will analyze this dataset and find out what factors drive the success of these game apps. The competition is based on the depth and the novelty of your analytical findings. These data are associated with the apps you would see on Google Play Store, games, on phones. Here you would see the top list, for example, the top free apps, the top grossing apps, which is ranked by its total revenue, which may include the price for the app and the in-app purchase, and the top paid app list. In our dataset, instead of the top 45 you would see in the list here, we have the top 200 games for each of the three categories. When you click on these apps, the detailed app page will tell you more about a certain app, which may include how many reviews it has, how many downloads it has, and other detailed information. This page also shows you the rating for the app and how many people rate it. After that, you will see the most recent reviews for that app. In our dataset, we have detailed app features up to 39 items, and up to 20,000 most recent reviews. When you come to our official website, www.mahackathon.online, you can learn more details about our 2024 challenge. Click Challenge 2024 or Learn More here to go to the page. Here you will see the goal of the object, the data set, the schedule of the competition, judging criteria, how to submit your proposal, and what happens after your submission. In the data section, you can see three data files. The first one is a summary of the game apps in the dataset. In this summary, you will find the ID and the name of a game app, which game category it belongs to, the location of its reviews in the third part of data, number of its reviews downloaded, and where it is ranked in one of the three top lists. You can click on the item description, which will show you the attribute names and some details about the apps. In this description, you will also find the definition of these three top lists. When you click on the sample data, you can see three data records, which shows you what kind of data you will see after you get the full data set. At the proposal stage, you will only see the sample data set of 3 game apps. When your team successfully advances to the final stage, your team will receive the full data set from us. The second part of the data is the details of our game apps. This file consists of detailed features of the game apps, including their IDs, names, number of downloads, etc., which has 39 items in total. Similarly, you can click on the item description and see the details of each attribute. You may click the sample data and find out 3 data records, showing you what kind of data you will see after you get the full data set. The last part of the data is the reviews downloaded for the game apps. In this file, you can find up to 20,000 recent reviews for each game app. Each record has a review ID, text, time, rating, etc. Because the amount of data is huge, the full data set is too large to be put in one file. As a result, we have split it into 3 files. The location of the review for a certain game app can be found in the summary, which is the first part of data. Again, you can see the item descriptions for the third part and see the sample data for 3 game apps. Now, because the review text may contain special characters, which CSV file may not handle very well, we have put the reviews in a JSON file. To retrieve and utilize these data records, you may need software such as R or Python to import the data set. Here are 2 examples of tutorials you may use to import JSON data into R and Python. Here I have used the Python to import the sample data. The data frame may look like this. And if I print out some of the reviews, the review text may look like this. Schedule. Our Hackathon competition is open for proposal from 12th of August. The deadline is 19th of August. Among all competitors, we will have up to 8 groups advance to the final presentation. We will announce that list of finalists on 23rd of August. At that time, the finalist groups will receive the full data set and start to work on the project. They have 1 week to work on their analysis and report. The final presentation will be on 30th of August, and the award will be announced on the same day. On that day, all finalist teams will come to UNSW at the business school building. We will first conduct the presentation, then have lunch and a networking event. In the end, we will announce award and conclude the event. Judging criteria. Your proposal will be judged based on the following criteria. Originality of the idea, 30%. Practicality of the implementation, 40%. Project feasibility within 1 week, 15%. Clarity and focus of the proposal, 15%. For the final presentation, the judging criteria is as follows. 20% on originality of research question, 20% on the choice and implementation of analytical methods, 20% on insights from the analysis, 20% on managerial implication, and 20% on communication of the result. The submission of the proposal is easy. Just prepare your proposal and send it to our official email, mahackathon@unsw.edu.au. The proposal is open from 12th of August, 9 a.m. to 19th of August, 5 p.m. This proposal is up to 1,200 words. You should specify the aim of your project, outline the methodologies, the data items that you are going to use, the expected outcome from your analysis, and the expected managerial implications. After submission, your proposal will be evaluated. Up to 8 finalist teams will be announced on 23rd of August. The finalist team will then work on the project for 1 week, and the final presentation will be on 30th of August. It's time to show your marketing analytics skills and meet like-minded top-tier students in the Hackathon. Join us and explore your potential in marketing analytics. I look forward to seeing you at the Hackathon.